I do not know what RMR stands for, but I know it works. Let me show you my patio decking here. This is a bench that we sit on. These first 3 panels I just finished, and this panel right here, the 4th panel, I have not done. So this is where I'm starting the video to show you the difference. Look at all that mildew. This is from 3 years since we built this. We've not done anything other than just hit it with some soap and water, probably 1 year. So this is lots of mildew, stubborn mildew, and it's amazing how quickly it just disappeared. So this is no scrubbing, and that's true. They say 15 seconds. I left it on for about 1 minute because I didn't want to do all this and then miss out on some of its cleaning. But showing you real close here, and then I'll just show you how easy the process was. But super, super impressed with this. So first off, it's just a dry bench right here, and I just went down the line and sprayed it. And in fact, I'll speed up the process here so you don't have to watch me spray it 100 times, but not hard, but just get it really thoroughly wet. And then, like I said, it says 15 seconds, but I let it sit for closer to a minute. Check out that green right there. I came back and it was just gone. Like, it's crazy. If you look here in a second as I turn the camera, you're going to notice the top panel that I sprayed first is already starting to completely disappear, and the bottom still has mildew. That's how fast it works. It's really, really quite great. So yeah, there we go. So then I let it sit, and then got the hose out and did not scrub, just rinsed off. And again, I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch water come out of my faucet for a minute and a half, but just gave it a really thorough rinsing. Also, just to be safe, I rinsed off the bushes since they were so close, just to make sure no residue was on that. But that's it. Now here's the final product. Here's panel 1, 2, and 3 that I did right before. This is just air dried, like 30 minutes, and it was dry because it's so hot here in Texas. And then right here, we're coming up on this 4th panel. This is what I did right here on the video, right here. Check it out. All that mildew is gone. Love it, love it, love it. I would buy this again. I would recommend it to you.